we are going to write a program to detect the number is even or odd. So write a program to detect the input is even or odd. Okay, so what we are going to do, first we have to take one input from the user, so that's why I'm here writing one of the integer a. Okay, and scanning it using scanf function. So scanf %d because it's an integer and I'm giving here address of a. So what happens, I am here declared integer a, and this integer a is consist of, after scanning through the user, it consists the number whatever user enters. Suppose if the user enters 10, then a consists of 10 due to this line. What it does, it scans the number from the user. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to check. What I have to check, it's an even or odd. So there should be some idea, like if I have an 2 is an even. So if I divide 2 by 2, then it gives remainder 0. If I divide 4 by 2, then it gives the remainder 0. When I divide 8 by 2, then it also gives remainder 0. When I divide 6 by 2, all these numbers are divisible by 2. Even numbers are divisible by 2. So we have to check, if the remainder is 0, then it's an even number, and if the remainder is 1, then it's an odd number. Then we have to do such programming. So to get the remainder, we have to use percent symbol. Okay, so I'm just writing here if a, that means number, suppose 8 number is given or 9, any number that user is entering, percent 2, this a percent 2 gives us remainder equal to 0. So I'm writing here in comment, this percent is used to get remainder. If we write percent 2, then it gives the remainder 8 divided by 2, the remainder is 0. 11 by 3, the remainder is 2, because 3 3s are 9, remain is 2. So when you write 11% 2, 11% 3, then it gives 2. What it gives? 2 as a reminder, because it's not division, it's a reminder. So when we divide 11 by 3, then its answer is 3, but the remainder 3 3s are 9, 2 remaining. So this 2 is the remainder. So a percent 2 gives us the remainder. Okay, so that's it. Then I am writing here if a percent 2 equal to 0, then print. What we have to print? The number is even. Okay, or else means if a percent 2 is not equals to 0. So obvious, if we divide any number by 2, there should be only two reminders, one is 0 or 1. Is it wrong or right? If I divide 10 by 2, then it's reminder 0, but we divide 11 or 9, then it gives reminder 1. That means if we have any number, its reminder is 0 or 1. So to get one reminder, we need not write else, or we can write also else if a percent 2 equal to 1. We can write this also, but it's not, it's already assumed that if the number is gives the remainder 0, then it's not able to give the remainder 1, or if it gives the remainder 1, then it's not able to give remainder 0. So directly I'm writing here printf, the number is odd. Okay, so that's it. Now I am running this code. So run here, compiling program. Now I am entering here 9. So 9 is odd, so the number is odd, it should print the number is odd. So what it gives, the number is odd. So this is a very simple program of detecting the number is even or odd. So just I am running it again to give one of the even number, like I am giving 48 is an even number. When I am entering 48, it should give the number is even. So it outputs us that the number is even. Okay, so this is just a simple program. Please check the comment for the next program, so that you should prepare it initially and then watch the video. Okay, so I am giving the next statement or problem statement in the comment section. Okay, so thank you, that's it for today. Okay.